Hi everyone, it's me Jyoti Rolla. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to share with you a makeup look. It's a clean makeup look where you will be able to see everything like a properly snatched and all. I look so bad right now. Just wait for a transaction. This is how I'm going to look in a minute, but let's get started with the makeup. I haven't did any makeup look for a really long time. So to start with the makeup, I'm going to do my eyebrows first. For my eyebrows, I have, so this product is Color Essential. It's a brow multifunction. So this has, the first is what we say, the normal basic lining thing which we require to fill the eyebrows. The second thing they have is the push, the press on things we require just to get a shade. And the third thing they have, it's a spoolie way you require. So this one is have like a multiple stuff. You don't need to get a two different thing. This is like a perfect one go to go. So I'm just going to fill up my eyebrows first. Let me get my mirror. So I'm going to fill my eyebrows first. So this is a black to brown. If you have, they have certain color shades even. So you can get this. It's like a reasonable one which I got. It's like the go-to stuff because I don't want to like wear all the time the expensive stuff. So this is the one of the reasonable. And then I'm going to take a spoolie and just going to take a spoolie and brush them in a direction. So the second thing I am going to do is to carve my eyebrows a little sharp and the edges. I am going to take this and I need a brush. So I'm going to take a flat brush and just try to like blend them as neatly I can, like. Now I'm going to do my eye look. So I haven't planned anything for my eye look as of right now. I am thinking to do a very minimalistic makeup look because it's been really long time I haven't did that, like an Instagram worthy wala types only, but in that even there's few stuff. So first I am going to put the concealer over my eyelid because I want a little heavy coverage today. Okay, this is really bad. I'm taking this Lamb Crime eyeshadow palette, Venice 12, I think so. This is 12 2 something. So I'm taking this shade in Broom. My camera just got flicked. I'm just applying over here and a little bit in this corner, just to give a little natural kind of a shade. Now I am going to take a very light shimmery kind of a thing. I feel like this would be the best one, which is very light pinky tone. I'm going to take this brush, take this product. This one is Majesty. Just going to apply in the between one. This is so good. I'm just going to take from the first front to the between part. That's it. So natural. Such a good palette. So that's all for my eyes right now. We'll add something in some time. And for the mascara, I'm taking this Nykaa Like It Long waterproof mascara. This is my go-to mascara. I'm using from almost 2 months or more than that, and I keep going back to the one which I am liking it. So this is like my everyday makeup look ka mascara. I'm going to use a Revlon Kajal pencil, which is one stroke defined eyeliner Kajal. This is really nice Kajal pencil. I'm just going to apply in my top part of my eye, inside wala eye. It's a little tricky to apply, but that's it. If you want to have a more attractive eye look, you can put this on the inside the eye bottom part, but I'm not looking for that right now. We'll see as if we do the makeup. Let's do some base now. For the base, I am going to try this primer from Rare Beauty. This is the first time I'm going to use this. I'm so excited. This is interesting. I think so this will be enough for my face. It's quite thick. I like this primer, it's pretty good. It's a new primer for me. It's not that sticky, it's filling my pores, that's what I could say. It's not moving much of my other product from here. So my favorite foundation is Born This Way, and I am on medium beige. I'm taking, over 2 pumps to 3 pumps. This foundation always gives me such a beautiful natural coverage, and it's like giving me more of a clean, that snatch look which I am looking for today. I have my second favorite foundation. I'm going to soon talk about favorite foundations, where you will see me talking and sharing a lot of foundations and cons and pros about it, like which one is good, which is what. I'm going to damp this in a minute. God, I love how the foundation is on my skin now. I'm just going to take the similar concealer and just going to give a little dot, a little bit dot, not much, just a little dot here and a little dot here. The rest of the things are good. So once this is done, I am going to take a little bit powder to do a set of this thing. Concealer. Till that it soak or settle in, or we can say set in, I am going to take my Pro Concealer from Eýᴇs, and I'm going to like make a very undetailed, like a very simple lines here on my jaw, a little here, a very small amount on my nose. I'm going to use this Revolution. The shade name is Reloaded Rose Kiss. I love this blush. This is like my go-to blush, to be very honest. It has that pinky tone along with that a different tone thing, and I love that part about this blush. It's like so much good. Just going to apply on my cheeks. So for the highlighter, before going for a highlighter, I'm going to finish my under eye thing. I'm going to take the pink color, which I use first. I'm going to take that and apply over here. And now I am going to take this brown tone, which is like a forest brown tone thing. I don't know what they named this one. Hot fudge. It's like a chocolate hot fudge. I'm just going to apply in my last part of this. Just here. That's all. And I'm going to take a blush like an angular brush, and I'm going to blend this in this area. Just do it a little slow because you might hurt yourself. Just to give a little angle out, I'm just going to take the same hot fudge towards the outer end. And now I'm going to use a highlighter. I love a good highlighter, to be very, very honest. I am a pure highlighter person. Just kidding, I'm not into highlights much. Just going to take a little bit on my fan brush. This one is highlighted, reloaded, rise the bar. That's what it says. I'm going to take a little here. Oh my god, this is too much. And this here, and these, and here, and here again. For lip liner, I'm going to take this Laurent. This is my favorite lip liner. It's so beautiful. For lipstick, I'm taking this Huda Beauty Icon. This is my favorite go-to lipstick. I'm going to show you. I just get scared while opening this. Makeup is almost done. I am going to use this Forever Perfect Fix Set Refresh Hydrating from Dior. This is the one I got recently from Abu Dhabi and I really liked it. So this is my complete makeup look. I had loved creating this makeup look, and talking about the makeup while doing makeup is my favorite thing. So it was really fun doing it with you guys. If you really liked it, give me a thumbs up, and if you like such kind of content, do subscribe to my channel, and yeah, give me a comment if you want me to do something new or like something you would be interested to. And that's all I have. Bye guys, love you.